Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Prezi account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete Prezi account, you'll not be able to delete it from the application, so you must log in from the web browser. Also, you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your web browser. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in prezi.com. You can also find the link on my description box. So on the other page right on top, you can see the website, so tap on it. So on the other page, you will land inside the official site, so tap on the try bar icon, which is right on top in the upper right corner. Now as you tap on the try bar icon, so scroll down, and right in between you can see login option, tap on it. So on the other page, select a method in which you had created your account. So as I had used my email address, and once you're done entering your information, tap on login. So once you're logged in, the interface kind of look like this. Right on this page, do the same process, that is tap on the try bar icon in the upper right corner. So as you tap on it, you can see your profile information. So right in between you can see settings, so tap on it. So as you tap on settings, on the other page you have all your information, and right on top there is menu, so tap on it. So as you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on profile. On the other page you can see your account information, so then slightly scroll down, and in the bottom left corner there you can see delete account, tap on it. Now as you tap on it, on the other page there is an update saying that once you delete your account you cannot restore it again, which means that your account will be permanently deleted. In case you have made up your mind, so then tap on delete account right at the bottom. As you can see, once again there is an update saying that a confirmation link has been sent to your email, so make sure to check it. Now what you have to do is just go back to your home screen and then open up your Gmail. So as you can see that I've received a confirmation email. If you have made up your mind, so tap on confirm delete now, tap on it. So as you can see, once again there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on delete account. So right over here you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Prezi account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.